Right, the sub-octave's coming in late. Listen to it. Arpeggio's off. Sequencer's off. Ta-da. Why is it doing that? With the sub-octave off, with the sub-octave on. Well, it's pretty, but I don't know why. Right, there'll be some weird frequencies, probably because I've taken sync off. Let's take all these things off. What the hell? Right. There's some noise, that's why. Take the noise off. I said take the noise off. Now, sometimes these controls are a bit slow to respond. Right, that's one oscillator. That's the other oscillator, and an octave below that. Oscillator 1 and the sub. No, it's too low. Okay, all three. There's a few odd sounds coming in and out. There were some weird echoes a minute ago. Why is that not in now? Because the sync is on. Ah, and then the sub-octaves all over the place. That's high. Ah, that's sub to that. So the sub-octave frequency still slaves to the original frequency of oscillator 1, even though oscillator 1, that's a, let's say that's a G and that's a C, that plays a G still, even though that is slave to that, which will therefore be playing a C. There you go. Right. Whereas if you take the sync off, this is playing a high G. Right, and that's playing a lower G. It's a little bit weird actually. Let's save that patch. See, I want to... That's nice. What the hell is that doing? Take the sub-octave off. doesn't sound right. That sounds... that does not sound right. Bloody heck, that pot sounds horrible. Why is that doing that? Sync, get rid of the sync. No. That's doing something weird. You know, this is not a synth as good as the Prophet 6. That is terrible. This unit is a bit of a dog, actually. Let's do a chord one. There was a nice chord one. 25, no. 25. No, it wasn't that one, it was 15, maybe. Right, that should be on hold now. See what happens if we move the filter.